first Republic Day celebration that we all have to share the pride of a great nation. As gathered, congratulations to all the people of India. And yes, I am proud to be an Indian. Republic Day is the day where we remember 26 January, the day when the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. I want to clarify the true meaning of Republic Day. But before that, we need to understand what is Constitution and why it is so important for the country that we adopt on 26 January every year. Our Constitution outlines fundamental rights and power of the government and tells us about our duties as responsible citizens. Overall, you cannot expect a democratic free country with a constitution. Today, I feel proud that living in the Republic of India, all we need drafting such a powerful Constitution of India. The role of Bhimrao Ambedkar should not be forgotten. Sadly, most people don't realize the importance of Republic Day. I request those citizens, Republic Day is not just a public holiday.